When I was doing my bachelor's in pharmacy, the only type of jobs which were available back then, 20 years ago, was formulation and development, QA, QC, R&D. And somehow I felt I don't fit into all of that. So someone said sales. I said, even I don't fit into that. I realized that none of the jobs which were available, none of the roles which were available then were meant for me. So I designed my own career. And today I am here to tell you that you can also design your own better career in pharma if you follow the steps which I'm about to outline in this video. Pharma is a universe in itself, $1 trillion universe. Now the problem with this universe is most people limit their knowledge to that conventional way of doing jobs. So if you do a conventional job, you get a conventional salary. It starts at 20,000 or 15,000 and goes up to 50,000 up to 1 lakh, right? Even if you do M-Pharm, probably it will go up to 24 lakhs, right? But what if you could earn crores? So this is where I come to tell you that you are in the era of convergence where everything is getting mixed. AI is entering every potential field, including pharma. So at Pharmanica, we are a big fan of AI, and especially in drug discovery. And you can see you could design a better career using AI in pharma, AI in chemistry. Now, having said that, drug discovery is the biggest challenge pharma companies face today. If you can simplify that, you are in crores. That's number one. The second, with patient journey. The patient journey as of today is still inefficient. What if you could simplify using AI? You could still earn crores because hospitals will pay you crores. So how can you fix it is the question. Most of you are not rethinking the definition of success. Success is not getting a job. Success is getting a high-paying job. Success is when you are the top leadership of a company. And of course, you have to start from A to reach Z. But what if this journey is faster? That is why the catalyst called Pharmanica was born. Now you have to question the status quo. What exactly is the need of the hour? What is the emerging field of today, right? Do I have a passion for that? Now, clinical research, clinical data management, global regulatory affairs, these are the new age jobs. You could cross-pollinate that with your pharma knowledge and ask yourself questions like, can I work on reducing clinical trial failures using AI? Ask yourself, can I help repurpose old drugs to faster discovery using data analytics, right? And then you implement that. You have to move faster than your competitors, who is, by the way, your classmates and all the people who studied along with you or who studied after you or before you. All of them are competitors, right? You have to cross-pollinate knowledge. You have to combine AI with pharma, AI with regulatory, AI with bioinformatics, AI with health tech, AI with health economics, and you have to reshape the humanity using your innovation. A biologist or a pharmacist who understands coding, a chemist who knows patient data better, a pharmacist who can grasp IP law better than others is going to win in this new game. You have to think global. But since you are a student or a professional who is just getting started, you have to think digital. So how can you grab global jobs using digital technology? That's called networking. The new pharma ecosystem is digital first. The real world evidence, digital biomarkers, decentralized trials, virtual CROs like Biotechnica CRO for Pharmanica. We have a lot of jobs which is remote first, like clinical research now or in clinical data management. Pharmacovigilance, medical writing, regulatory affairs, all of that is going work from home now. So you can learn these tools and make yourself available globally. And by the way, all this training is available on Pharmanica's platform. And then you have to design your career like a product. Now, what happens with the product? First, you design a minimum viable product. The same way, you have to identify which skills of today is going to be obsolete in the future and what skills is going to be the future of pharmacy or pharma companies, right? And that is where you build a personal roadmap of 3 future roles in which you can evolve. It could be a CEO, it could be a chief scientific officer, it could be a clinical data scientist, it could be a regulatory AI specialist, it could be a pharma innovation strategist, whatever. So you have to decide and then become a systems thinker. See, discipline can take you this far. Habits can take you this far. But if you create a system of habits, you can win. Remember, The Pharma is no longer 2.0 or 3.0. The Pharma 4.0 is for which you have to prepare for, right? So that is where digital twins will be there for drug manufacturing. Predictive analytics will come into pharmacovigilance, and systems will be there to address pharma inefficiency. Same way, you have to implement a personal system and you have to learn AI. That's something which is irreplaceable, right? And that is why Pharmanica is starting AI, ML and Pharma drug discovery and chemistry. If you're interested, you can take that training, link in the description. Now moving forward, you are not here for Pharma 2025. You have to prepare yourself for the market of 2030. So you have to have the vision of 2030. So Pharma 2030 vision you have to develop. You have to identify 3 mega trends which will affect 2030. Now what are those? A boom in drug discovery because of AI, synthetic biology, AI-driven clinical trials, patient-centric drug design, and all of this you have to learn, right? And all of this you can learn at Pharmanica. Now, the last part, you should never ever ignore networking. Like I said, if people don't know your abilities, they'll never hire you for your abilities, right? So you have to network, you have to engage in idea circles on LinkedIn, on forums, online, on Pharmanica, and then you have to align with the ethical and sustainable pharma, and that's where a lot of hiring filters are coming in. We are looking at green chemistry, we're looking at circular pharma and ethical AI, and this is where you can build a portfolio and not a resume. And don't forget to publish papers if you're targeting R&D. Don't forget to earn certifications if you're targeting clinical research, AI, and global regulatory affairs, because these are very important fields, right? The old style pharma is out of fashion. You have to prepare for the 2030 pharma. And that is why Pharmanica is here to support you, nurture you, guide you. Let me know in the comment section what more you need, and I'll make a special video just for you. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you soon in the next one. Till then, keep shining. Take care. Bye-bye.